We're flying the RV-12 into Ukiah Municipal Airport, but pay attention to the sound of the air as we get closer. Can you tell how windy it is?
Ukiah traffic, RV-2 Victor Alpha, turning final 33 full stop Ukiah.
Wow, look at the bottom just drop out.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Wow.
I'm high anyway, so I didn't react to it, but
I've never had it to that before.
Yep. Bottom just fell
Not to
out.
that extent.
Yep.
A light sport aircraft like the RV-12 is much more susceptible to wind.
So we're final, we're coming in fast, but that's alright.
What just happened was most likely some form of wind shear as we descended towards the runway. It was probably a momentary decrease in the strength of the headwind which caused the aircraft to lose lift and airspeed before recovering. I left some tips for handling gusty landings in the caption.
Well,